Decimals and fractions are very powerful tools, but sometimes fractions can be used in better places, and decimals can be used in better places than fractions. Now, one element where decimals can be used in a better place than fractions is when you need to be super precise with something, or with money. The benefit of decimals in that case is you don't have to worry about getting getting a denominator the same, and you don't have to worry about having to make everything equal. All you have to do is just line everything up, and then you can perform your simple math function of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When I was a machinist, this was really helpful because we didn't have to worry about everyone having a different denominator of fraction or whatever we were running with. We always used decimals. So that always really helped with the precision and uniformity that we needed for making airplane parts and car parts and the such. Now, another place where comes in handy is in the case of money. This is great for a monetary standard because you can easily line up and add and subtract and multiply and divide the sums of money. Now, some cases where fractions are better is when it comes to this weird oddity that's called a repetend that is in a decimal. So in the case of 1/3, a repetend, the decimal is a never-ending decimal, which that's a problem, especially if you have to do a mathematical formula with it. So instead of writing a very, very, very long, never-ending series of numbers, what we do with is create a fraction. So instead of putting 0.33333 never-ending, we put 1/3. And that's a great way to make everything a little bit more cleaner, and it also really helps in just jumbling everything. Now, one of the main reasons that we need to understand both is because decimals and fractions are basically two heads of the same coin. They're just different ways of writing what we already know. And everything can be easily transferred between them because of how they're, like I said earlier, two sides of the same coin. Thank you.